I know it's hot hearing an echo sound from your TikTok live stream and yet you don't know how to fix it. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to fix echo on your TikTok live stream. So let's say you are live streaming on TikTok, or you're actually co-hosting with someone on TikTok and you're receiving an echo sound from your TikTok live stream. In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you simple ways to fix that. Now, if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help. So the first step you can actually take in order to fix this problem. Now, let's say you are receiving an echo sound from your TikTok live stream. This is what you need to do. First, you need to wear a headphone. Headphone actually helps to fix this problem. So if you have an headphone, plug it to your device and use an headphone instead while going live, as it's going to actually help to reduce the echo from your live stream. So the second steps you can actually take, if that did not actually solve the problem, the second step you can actually take right here on your TikTok app is to go ahead and adjust your speaker. So let's say you are live streaming on TikTok, you can go ahead and adjust your speaker by reducing it a little bit, as it is going to actually make the microphone not to pick the audio feed from background. Also, you can actually try to eliminate multiple audio source. Now, let's say you are actually using multiple audio source, you need to close other tabs or program that might be playing the live stream as well on the background. So let's say you're actually live streaming on TikTok and you have a device that is actually playing the live that you are actually live streaming on your background. You need to go ahead and turn that device off, as it is going to actually help to reduce the echo from your live stream. And also, let's say you're having a live stream open on a separate app right in that same device you're using to live stream on TikTok. This is what you need to do. You need to go ahead and close that app before going live, so that it is not going to actually affect your live stream by bringing out an echo on your live stream. And also, another way you can actually fix this is by, let's say you are using an external software like OBS or vMix to manage your live stream. You should ensure that you are only using one and not the both. If you are using two software to live stream on TikTok, it is actually going to bring out echo on your live stream. So these are the few steps you can actually take in order to fix the echo on your live stream on TikTok. So most importantly, you should actually try to use a headset. So let's say as well, you are in a room that is actually empty. It is actually going to bring out echo as well while you are live streaming on TikTok. So you should try as much as you can to occupy the room a little bit with carpet and some other stuffs on the room in order to reduce the echo from the room. And before going live in an empty room, you should try to clap your hands in order to check if there is an echo on your live stream. So these are the few steps you can actually follow in order to fix echo on TikTok live stream. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.